welcome to Garland Nursery's Little Sprouts class for September. This month we're doing a cute little dinosaur succulent planter. So grab all of your materials and we'll get started. Alright, so to start we're gonna get our cactus mix out. We're using cactus mix because it has really great drainage and that's really important for succulents. So we're gonna start with that, put some of the soil in the dinosaur. Make sure to stick a little soil down in his tail so that that doesn't hold excess water later. Go ahead and fill your dinosaur up about halfway with the cactus soil. And then we'll plant our succulent. So succulent basically just means that there's a part of the plant that holds extra water. That can be in the leaves or in the stem or in the roots. So there are lots of different plants that are succulents. This is the one that we have today. Take it out of the little box and add it to your dinosaur. Press down on the soil and try to make sure that you fill in all the little spaces around the plant. We don't want extra water to be hanging out in there. If you'd like, you can use your tissue paper like I did to create a little surface to catch all your extra dirt. All right, and then add more soil to the top to fill in all those spaces. Last little bit out here. And then make sure to leave just a little bit of room at the top so that when you water it, it doesn't overflow. Brush off the extra soil. And then the last step is to water your succulent. I don't have a watering can with me today, but you can fill it up or water it in the sink or with a little glass of water or a little watering can if you have one. And that's it. Our succulent dinosaur planter is done. These are tender succulents, so they can go outside right now, but once it starts to freeze and get a little colder in October, you'll want to make sure to bring them inside for the winter and not put them back out again until it's nice and warm in the spring. All right, that's everything for today's class. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next month. Bye.